Hello students, how are you today? Hope you are fine. Welcome to our English lesson with Teacher K. In this video, we will listen to a short conversation about farm animals. Short conversation about farm animals. I will play a video for you right now. You listen attentively. Are you ready?
Welcome to the animal world. Let's pretend we are animals. Walk like a bear, walk like a bear, slow and steady, walk like a bear. Jump like a joey, jump like a joey, high up as you can, jump like a joey. Hop like a bunny, hop like a bunny, fingers on your head and hop like a bunny. Fly like an eagle, fly like an eagle, move your hands up and down and fly like an eagle. Swim like a whale, swim like a whale, dive to the ground and swim like a whale. Crawl like a turtle, crawl like a turtle, slow and steady, crawl like a turtle. Kick like a donkey, kick like a donkey, push your legs back and kick like a donkey. Gallop like a horse, gallop like a horse, clippity-clop, clippity-clop, gallop like a horse. Wiggle like an octopus, wiggle like an octopus, all fingers out and wiggle like an octopus.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Now we start with our conversation. Kim, this is Kim. This is Min. Kim and Min are conversing about farm animals. They are talking about farm animals. We listen now. Hello, Min. How are you? Kim. Hello, Min. How are you? Min. Hi, Kim. I'm fine, thank you. Min. Hi, Kim. I'm fine, thank you. Kim. Where is the pig, Min? Kim. Where is the pig, Min? Min. It is in the mud. It is in the mud. Min. Where is the cow, Kim? Where is the cow, Kim? Kim. It is on the grass. It is on the grass. Kim. Min. Can a horse run? Run? Kim. Min. Can a horse run? Run. Min. Yes, it can run. Min. Yes, it can run. Min. Kim. Can a sheep swim? Swim. Min. Min is speaking. Kim. Can a sheep swim? Kim. No, it can't. No, it can't. It can jump. Jump. No, it can't. It can jump. Can jump. Kim. Okay, Min. Nice. Nice talking to you. Kim. Okay, Min. Nice talking to you. Min. Nice talking to you too. Min. Nice talking to you too. Kim. Goodbye, Min. Min. Goodbye, Kim. Okay, we go one more time again. Kim and Min. Kim, Min. Hello, Min. How are you? Min. Hi, Kim. I'm fine, thank you. Kim. Where is the pig? Min. Min. It is in the mud. Min. Where is the cow? Kim. Kim. It is on the grass. Kim. Min. Can a horse run? Run. Min. Yes, it can run. Min. Kim. Can a sheep swim? Swim. Kim. No, it can't. No, it can't. It can jump. Jump. Kim. Okay, Min. Nice talking to you. Min. Nice talking to you too. Kim. Goodbye, Min. Min. Goodbye, Kim. Students, we have come to the end of our video for today. See you in the next video and you practice the conversation at home. Bye bye.